Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. Yourself?
Very fine, thank you, Mr. Zubir. No boarding announcements inside
Okay.
the lounge.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Thank you. Right, where do I begin? I think over there we have the dining area, so I might go there. Hello and good morning from the Al Safwa lounge here in Doha. Today I am flying to Jeddah on Qatar Airways A350-1000. Well, the last time I checked was A350-1000. Just a couple of days ago it was the 777. But fortunately it's still the Qsuite. So I just arrived from London. It's currently 4:30 a.m. So if I look tired, that's why. I'm gonna head to the dining area now and have some breakfast, and we've got a couple of hours before boarding starts, so yeah, let's go. This place is vast, it's huge. Hi, morning. Any table by the window is fine, please. Yeah, that's fine over there.
The menu is on the table.
Okay.
So one of my colleagues will come take your order.
Okay, yeah, that's
And I
fine.
think you're serving.
I'll get the cheese on that.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You still have this one.
Yeah,
And the cheese goes.
thank you. Thank you very much. Right, breakfast has arrived. I've gone for the cheese omelette and also some smoked salmon. Right, boarding is gonna start soon, so I'm on my way to the gate. When I arrived from London this morning at about 4 a.m., the terminal was empty. There was barely any passengers here. But 3 hours later, or well, actually 2 hours later, and the terminal is packed out. It is busy today. Hi, morning. Here we go. Yep. Thank you very much. Hi, good morning. Yes.
Have you with us today?
Thank you.
Your seats will be on the side.
Yep. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Here we are. Seat 5A. We've got a blanket and pillow ready at my seat. We are in seat 5 Alpha this morning. Standard Qsuite. We've got storage area over here. We've got a menu. We've got the seat controls all the way here. Universal power outlet, USB port, headphone jack. We've got a remote to control the IFE. And in front of me we've got a massive TV screen. Below that is the tray table, which pulls out and folds out. This storage area here also acts as a armrest. So we're gonna armrest here and then armrest here. Right. And over here we've got the footrest area. Although I do find this a bit tight on that side, but on this short part it should be okay. Above me I have two individual air nozzles. We've got lights over here, and then we have one more lamp over here, and a coat hook as well, and then of course the suite door, but it's locked out at the moment, so yeah, I'll close the suite door after departure. We've got a refreshing towel. Thank you.
Enjoy your drink, sir.
Thank you very much. I love this. This is one of the newer A350-1000 because there's no center overhead bins, and I've noticed that this is slightly different, the IFE remote. And one more thing which I noticed is that the screen itself has better resolution, and there's buttons here, well, touch buttons here, which were not there on the 777-300ER that had the Qsuite. We've also got the HDMI and USB port, which are normally over here on the older Qsuite, but on this one they're built into the screen.
All customers have now boarded and this aircraft is bound for Jeddah. Ground staff, it is now time to disembark the aircraft.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome.
We've got some Arabic coffee and dates.
The fasten seatbelt sign. Smoking, including the use of lighters, matches and e-cigarettes, is not permitted on board, including the washroom. In the meantime,
for safety reasons, with the exception of handheld personal electronic devices in flight mode, exits are clearly marked and located as shown. Escape path lighting will guide you to the emergency exit. In case of emergency landing on water, evacuation slides will serve as rafts. Please remember to remove all high-heeled shoes before using the slide and leave all hand baggage behind. Fastened.
very much. Thank you. Looks good. Thank you. Right. Breakfast has arrived. And the first thing I've noticed is that on regional flights, it comes in a single tray rather than individual items being laid out on the table. So yeah, we just got a single tray with everything. So I've gone for the omelette, which comes with chicken, sausage, and falafel. We've got some fruit, butter, real salt and pepper shakers, and croissants. Still, please. I think I got some. Yeah, but yeah, okay, that's fine. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's try the omelette. Looks really good. And some chicken sausage. That's a good omelette. And the falafel. Falafel is a bit soggy, but the omelette and the sausage are really nice.
Thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways and the One World Alliance. It has been our pleasure to...
Thank you. Thank you. See you. Bye. Bye.